So Microsoft Office prices, yeah, they've gone up like crazy. Plans that used to cost around 70 bucks a year are now at least $100 or more. Ouch, right? But here's the thing, you actually don't need to pay anything to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Yep, you heard that right, $0. I'm going to show you 6 different ways to get Microsoft Office completely free. So let's dive in. Oh, and real quick, if you're already liking what you're hearing, smash that like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope so you don't miss out on more money-saving tips like this. Trust me, you'll thank me later. All right, method number 1, and this is honestly my favorite for most people. It's called Office on the Web, and it's totally free, like actually free. No trials, no credit cards, nothing. Just free Office apps running right in your web browser. So what do you get? You get Word for documents, Excel for spreadsheets, PowerPoint for presentations. Plus, you get OneNote, Outlook, and even Sway, which is kind of like Microsoft's version of Canva. Pretty sweet deal. When you open it up, you'll see all the popular apps on the left side. Click on Apps to see everything else that's available. Let's say you want to work on a document. Click on Word, and boom, you'll see templates at the top. Want more templates? There's a link for that. Or just start fresh by clicking New Blank Document. Super simple. Now, real talk, the web versions don't have every single feature the desktop apps have. But for most people, it's more than enough. You still get that familiar ribbon at the top with all your editing tools. You can format text, add images, do tables, all the usual stuff. One quick tip, when you hit File and then Save As, it saves to OneDrive. That's Microsoft's cloud storage. But if you want it on your computer instead, just click Download a copy. Easy. Excel looks the same on the web, familiar layout, does what you need. Same with PowerPoint, templates on the right, everything you'd expect. And here's the best part. Because it's browser-based, it works on literally anything. Windows, Mac, Linux, even Chromebooks. Anywhere you can open a browser, you're good to go. Okay, that's method 1 down. Now let me run through the other 5 real quick so you've got all your options. Method 2, free trials. If you just need Office for a short time or you want to test it before buying, grab the 1-month free trial of Microsoft 365 Family. But wait, here's the pro move. Microsoft also offers a 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 for Business. Sign up for both, that's 2 whole months of Office for free. Pretty slick, right? Just one heads up, you'll need a credit card to sign up, so if you don't want to keep it after 30 days, make sure you cancel. Set a reminder on your phone or something. Don't let them charge you. Method 3 is perfect if you're always on your phone or tablet. There's the Microsoft 365 Copilot app for iOS and Android, and it's free. You can view, create, and edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint docs all in one app. Now, some advanced stuff like the AI features you'll need to pay for, but the basics, completely free. Grab it from the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you're on iPhone or iPad. Method 4, buying a new computer soon? Keep your eyes peeled because sometimes you'll get 1 year of Microsoft 365 Personal thrown in for free. That's like saving $100 right there. I've mostly seen this with new laptops, so if you're laptop shopping anyway, this is basically free money. Number 5 is my favorite life hack. Got a friend, roommate, or family member with a Microsoft 365 family plan? Ask them nicely if they can add you. Here's why this rocks. The family plan holds up to 6 people, so chances are they've got room. And once you're in, you get everything. Full access to all the apps on any device, plus a whole terabyte of OneDrive storage. They just add you through Microsoft's account sharing page, you get an invite link, and boom, you're in. Last one, if you're a student or teacher, listen up. You might qualify for Office 365 Education for free. And this isn't some wimpy trial. This is the full suite. All the apps, Microsoft Teams, everything, for as long as you're enrolled at a qualified school, college, or university. Now, not every school is part of this program, but if your school is and you can't get access, just hit up your IT department. They'll sort you out. And hey, if none of these work for you or you're just done with Microsoft altogether, there are some awesome free alternatives out there. We made a whole video about them. I'll drop that link in the description if you want to check it out. And that's it. 6 ways to get Microsoft Office without spending a dime. If this saved you some money, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me which method you're going to use. I'm curious. And don't forget to subscribe to SoftwareHope for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.